So you do this on all 3 flowers.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel!
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. FemMNY here. This is Cheland, and today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a bouquet rose using Chrome 260Q Chrome. We have color silver, mauve, purple, green, and copper. On this tutorial, I'm just gonna show you guys how to make the color mauve. So you need 5 total on each rose. So 5 260Q Chrome. So I'm gonna stretch this first. So leave extra air or extra room for your air. Okay. You can apply a knot at the end here. And first thing you do, push this in and make a twist. Just like that. Until you have that at the end. Okay. And now we're gonna make another bubble about this big. We have 3 total. Once you got those 2 bubbles, then make a soft twist. Just enough where you can stick this in here. Okay. After you do that twist, you will make another bubble of the same size. Make sure you hold on to that. Once you get this bubble right here, you twist this. Then once you get that twisted, this one here, stick it in here. That would be your center for your rose. Okay, so just like as I said, you pump air and you want to make sure they're all the same length right here. And as you notice, there's extra on the tip. You make it into a circle. Tie both ends. You want to make sure this is round, nice and round, because this is going to be your petals for the rose. Do the same thing with this, but this time you want to put it through your first 260Q. So again, you need it nice and circle. So you arrange this in the same direction, hiding the ends where you tie a knot. Alright guys, so now you arrange it like this, and now this time you put this in the center. Make sure you pull it this end and this end so it looks better. So there's your first rose right here. The back. So guys, now we have 3 of these flowers. So now we just have to make the So now you made 3 of this green stem. Now I'm just going to attach at the back here. Sure, first flower. Okay, use the tip right here. inside this and here. Now you get half, you're gonna go like this, and then you twist this. Do this on the other side as well. Find the tip here and attach it to your flower at the back. You attach it at the back just like that. Put it in between. So you do this on all 3 flowers. In order for that flower to face that way, I'm gonna make a twist here. This and make some bubbles. Okay guys, and here it is, our final look for the flower bouquet. This is a rose flower bouquet.
Subscribe my video if you like it, and bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you guys for watching.